So welcome guys, my name is Piyush and welcome to this awesome WordPress tutorial. And I know this is not a professional introduction, but let me guide you through this course. So before starting, I will let you know what you are actually going to learn. So the first thing you will be going to learn is the all basics, like basic hosting and domain and how to connect these both things and how to install WordPress. This is basic. And the second thing you will be going to learn is to set up your own website. Now there are different websites we are going to create during the course, that is e-commerce, personal blog, service based website, coupon code, and much more you will be going to learn. Okay, and the other things that you are also going to learn is how to, the 2022 things. Okay, first, when you update something, like publish a new post, it will be automatically notified to your subscribers. Second thing, you will also learn how to make Google stories and how to create them, and how to connect analytics, Google search console, how to rank your website, how to create your post, how to edit your theme, customize it, look beautiful, and much more. Like, there is so many things. It is the latest course. Okay, so you will be going to learn it, and definitely you can share it with your friends or someone who interested to learn how to build a website, or someone who is currently pursuing engineering or anything like digital marketing. Okay, this course definitely help them. And believe me or not, the upcoming like 2025 till 2025, everyone, most of the shops will be have their online branding, right? So they need digital optimization, or you can say search engine optimization. They need people who know these things, right? Or if you want to build your own website, then you have to learn these basic things. So this is the introduction, and currently this the playlist is in English language, and for Hindi language you just have to wait. And because most of my current subscribers know English and they want this thing in English language, so yeah, I am currently making this in English language. But my English is not that much strong, but I know that you will understand everything. And yeah, so let's get started. And if you like the course, you can just click on subscribe and like button, and if you don't like it, just hit dislike. Okay, and yeah, let's get started.